Okay, we're all here.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, we're saying I just something. Uh,
And 6. Yeah, that's right. So,
I just want to see if we do it a different way. How's it gonna work out? Okay, now. Can everyone else hear me?
yes, ma'am. Yes.
It's your network.
Yeah, maybe it's my network.
Oh, we're calculating everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes.
hello. Did you end up
Hi, ma'am.
calculating everything?
Yes,
And
may I
what did you
calculate?
get? Hmm? Yes. What did you end up getting?
For positive, I got a negative 1,51. So, point Q
Mm-hmm.
is in the positive side.
1.51. And then the negative side.
Point 2 is in the positive side of the x-axis.
Okay, that doesn't make sense.
Ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
so the value that we're going to use 0,51.
That doesn't make sense. Because let me send you the questions so that you see. Because I think because now it's hidden, you guys cannot refer. Um, I'm gonna send you guys a whole lot of pictures. Tell me when you see them.
Yep, I see them.
Okay, the first picture is the question, right? And can you see point P? says 58 degrees and 1.6. So one of our answers has to correlate with that. Okay, let's skip this question. We'll come back to this now. The next question says K lies on F such that KM is parallel to the y-axis. Calculates the length of KM. I think this one's easy. But first, you're gonna have to calculate. Did we calculate M? Or we have M, we have to calculate K. So we have to figure out what point K is. So if it's parallel, right, that means KM is a straight line, right?
Yes, ma'am. And
we already know, according to the information given, did they give it? Oh, yeah. Here on 6.2, that M is negative 45 and 1, right?
Yes,
And negative
so
1.
Yes. So if M is if the x value of M is negative 45, that means that the x value of K is also negative 45. Does make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
So what you do is then you will substitute negative 45 into the formula of the cos graph. I hope that makes sense. So we had said our formula is 3 cos theta, right? So that means the y value of K is going to be 3 cos negative 45 or negative 3 cos 45. And your answer is negative 3 cos 45. You guys also get negative 3 square root of 2 over 2.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means the distance of KM is going to be 3 square root of 2 over 2 plus, what is plus 1? Did anyone also get the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me see something. Okay. Yeah, that's the answer. And then the last one says if the system of axis is shifted 45 degrees to the left, but the graphs remain fixed, write down the equation that represents graph F. So the new equation of the cos formula. Ne? So one thing that we didn't really cover or go through was the left shift. So the left shift, or P, goes inside. Sorry. So P is equals to horizontal shift. And it goes inside the bracket. So our equation is already 3 cos, and then you're going to have theta plus sorry, it's a left shift, so minus 45 degrees. Does it make sense? That's the new
Yes,
formula
ma'am.
when we shift it to the left. If we shifted it to the right, then we're going to have 3 cos theta plus 45. Always remember that it goes inside the bracket, because it's different when you say 3 cos theta plus 45 or 3 cos theta minus 45, ne? Because what is the difference? What is the difference? Who can tell me what the difference is?
The
Hello?
difference
Between the blue and the red formulas.
if you punch it in your calculator, the blue one, it will start by multiplying 3 cos theta.
What is the difference between the red and the blue formulas?
I think the difference is that the red one that does have brackets, and the blue one doesn't have brackets. That's what I think.
Okay, but how okay, how will it then affect the graph?
Okay.
How will it affect the graph? So remember the theta. Let me show you. Let me clear for now. Can you see the thetas lie on, or the angles lie on the x-axis? Ne? So when you put it in brackets, theta plus 45 or theta minus 45, you are actually affecting the x-axis. Ne? So you're shifting the graph either to the left or to the right. Ne? So instead of having, if theta is 45, instead of having cos 45, you're going to have cos 45 plus 45, which is 90. So you're going to have cos 90. You're going to be looking for the answer for cos 90. Ne? However, cos theta affects the y value, ne? Because when you find out what cos theta is, it's going to give you the y value, right? So when you add 45 here, right, that means you're going to shift the graph either up or down. I hope that makes sense. So what the calculator is going to do, if theta, for example, if you're here, ne, at 180, so you're going to look for cos 180 plus 45. So what the calculator is going to do is find the answer for cos 180 and add 45 to that. So if cos 180, let's see, cos 180 is -1, it's going to say -1 plus 45. So that means your y value is going to change to 44. I hope that makes sense. What's the difference between the two?
Yes, it makes
So
sense,
let me do
ma'am.
this. So the blue here, the 45, the plus 45 and the minus 45 is the Q. Here, the minus 45 and plus 45 plays the role of P. I hope that makes sense.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
makes sense, man.
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm. Do you guys have any more questions? Do you guys have any more questions?
No.
Okay. Let me see something.
Ma'am,
Okay. I'm gonna send you work now for homework, and then please send it to me before tomorrow's lesson. Yes. Yes, Nigel.
Ma'am, we didn't finish that one. In the coordinates of Q.
Hey, but Nigel. Eh. What you want to? Oh, why are you laughing?
no, man.
I'm still trying to figure out how to work it out using a formula, but without using a formula, what you can do is um say that the distance between the asymptotes to P and the distance from the asymptotes to Q are the same. So is 90 minus 58. Your answer is going to be 32, right? That means there's 32 degrees between 1958. So use that same to say 90 plus 32 are x coordinates. And then substitute in the formula to find your y coordinates. So you're going to say, is it okay? And that's how you the point where they're equal. So you can say 10 122, and you can also say 3 cos 122. What is the answer? I hope I'm making sense. Does it make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't say yes. Did you guys calculate? What if I'm telling you lies?
I did calculate, ma'am. It's minus 1,600,0334529.
And the other one is 1.589, right? Which you then round off to 1.6.
Yes, ma'am.
Because even when you substitute 58, you'll get the same answers. I hope it makes sense.
Yes, ma'am.
You guys have any other questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you see the homework I sent?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any questions? Guys, please, the homework before 5 tomorrow. Latest 4 o'clock.
Okay, ma'am. May I write? I'll submit it today.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.